So before this video gets started, I'm gonna leave a link down below to sign up for a company called Cover. It's Kover. They're providing benefits, protections, funds, so many things to Uber and Lyft drivers right now in this time of need. If you sign up with my link, you'll get 30 days for free. I strongly urge you just to try it out. If you drive for any gig apps, it could be, you know, food delivery or rideshare. And if you've ever been deactivated, or if you ever get deactivated, if you ever go to the hospital, get in a car crash, they have you covered. Again, the company's called Kover. It's free to sign up. All right, now let's get on to the video. Breaking news. Superior Court rules Uber and Lyft drivers are employees. Guys, this is huge. Today is Tuesday. There is, well, I don't know when I upload this. It might be Wednesday by the time you're watching this, but the Superior Court just made this huge ruling that drivers in California, and by the way, this is coming nationwide, that drivers should be considered employees. So let's get right into the story. I know you guys have been asking me, cut to the chase, Dylan, so here we go. I'm getting into this article right now. This is on ABC News. California judge rules Uber Lyft drivers are employees. This is no clickbait, guys. This is huge. A judge has ordered ride-hailing giants Uber and Lyft to treat their drivers as employees instead of independent contractors. A shift that would guarantee benefits like overtime, sick leave, and expense reimbursement, aka paying your car, for workers who make up much of the freewheeling gig economy. This is huge news. And by the way, guys, this means lawsuits. This means drivers are gonna start getting hundreds of thousands of dollars each in back pay for all the hours. It's gonna be a lot of lawyers sitting down with drivers and going over every single hour that you worked, every single trip that you worked, because you could potentially be getting hundreds of thousands of dollars. And from there on, you can either continue to work for Uber, which I wouldn't blame you, because it's gonna start being, you know, people are gonna start doing the math and realizing that, wow, Uber's really been underpaying people. So the ruling won't take effect right away, as both Uber and Lyft said Monday. They will immediately go to a higher court. So Uber and Lyft obviously don't want to do this, but I mean, hey, the judge already ruled it, so I wouldn't be surprised if the higher court was like, well, yeah, we agree with our own judges. No duh. Still, advocates praise the ruling as a milestone in their fight to apply traditional worker protections to a fast-growing segment of the labor force. Yeah. I mean, you guys saw with AB5, maybe you didn't see it, but with AB5, basically that was just California. This was about a year ago now, and they said, you know, they had to go through 3 different steps: California Assembly, California Senate, whatever. Then the governor had to sign it. They all unanimously voted and agreed with each other. So I wouldn't be surprised the same thing happens today. This is based on stats. But the company, yeah, our Uber spokesperson Davis White says, our elected leaders should be focused on creating work, not trying to shut down an entire industry during an economic depression. Davis White, if you're listening to this, that's not what they're trying to do. I highly disagree with you. What they're trying to do is the exact opposite and give drivers deserved money, deserved paid, or overtime pay. They're trying to give drivers money and protection and benefits. That's what they're trying to do right now, buddy. You're just trying to put the government in a bad position. The lawsuit was filed by California Attorney General Xavier Becerra and the city attorneys of LA, San Diego, and San Francisco. By the way, I'm in LA, so very pertinent to me. Under new California law that says companies can only classify workers as contractors if they perform blah, 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 work outside the usual course of the business. To state the obvious, drivers are central, not tangential, to Uber and Lyft's entire ride-hailing business. No duh. Uber tried to say that, oh, drivers are not essential to our business model. They don't need to be employees. Bro, what? What are you on, bro? What do you think we do all day? We literally perform the exact function of your app. You think, oh, take away all the drivers and you guys are still just as successful, who's gonna deliver the food on Uber Eats? Who's gonna deliver the transport passengers on Uber X? You don't have driverless cars yet, huh? You thought that might come up soon, huh? Yeah, it's been 5 years and we haven't heard a single thing about that. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna have to make an update video, so make sure to like this video if you wanna see the update video. And if you wanna sign up for Cover, Cover is a company that offers these types of protection and benefits that the government wants to. They're doing it right now. So if you want sick pay, if you want protections from getting car crash, if you ever get sick and you wanna get your income replaced, you can sign up for Cover, 30 days free with my link. You can test it out for 30 days. And yeah, they're great. They're helping drivers get reactivated. They're on driver's side, not on Uber and Lyft side. I just want to get that out of the way. The company is called Cover, Cover, and I'll have a special link linked down below. Anyways, guys, yeah, I'll make an update video on all this. So subscribe and like, so you'll see that, because you don't want to miss out on that. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.